So I'm going to create a new package, then give it as Selenium 07 November batch. Right click. Variables usage. Make it as default and then allow my main function. Click on finish. So that's my class. Okay. So I'll ask you guys. Hey Anvish, can you tell me right now? I want you to declare and initialize 3 variables. One is static, non-static, and then local variable. You can give the variable names, anything, whatever you want.
Okay. First, we will go with the static variable. Static variable, like static int.
Yes.
A is equal to 10 or 20. 10.
Super.
And int now non-static one. Int b is equal to 20.
Yeah. Super.
And coming to local one, yeah, it's int I is equal to 100.
I is equal to 100. Yes. Okay. Cool. Good. So this. Thanks, Anvish.
Okay.
So next, Lokesh. You came for yesterday's class. Have you seen the recording, Lokesh?
Yeah, Murli, I actually did not go through the recording, so maybe you can skip me for today.
Oh, sure. Okay, cool. Jagdish, you came for the yesterday's class, no? Yesterday's session, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, what I want you to do is, I want you to access these 3 variables over there. That is what I need to do means, I just want to print it. Then after that, we'll see with the assigning part. Just I want to print the values. Yes.
System Cisco that control space.
Yes. Super.
Print A. Yeah.
So always the best way to utilize the static variables is what? With help of
class name or
dot.
Or go with string.
That is
dot A.
Yes, the standard way of utilizing the static variables always with the help of class name. Okay, yeah. Thank you. And next, non-static.
And a non-static, you have to create an object and you have to get through that one.
So how I can create an object?
Static. Variable usage object 1 equal to new variable usage that packet.
Super. So what this new variable usage is going to do?
It's going to take that non-static variable into the print statement.
No.
It will create an object.
Super. Yes.
We can. It will allocate memory location for the static and the class and main function.
Yeah, correct. Somewhat correct. New variable usage will help me to create the object. What is the object name?
Object 1.
Yes. What this variable usage will do here?
It will give the access to the static and non-static.
This will act as a reference, given information to the memory location that load only the global members of the ABC, variable usage class. What are the global members here?
Int A and
the static variable, non-static variable, and also my main function. All these things will be loaded. Okay. Yes. So now,
I think my
sorry, Jagdish.
is not.
Your voice is breaking. In case if you have any doubts or something, you can let me know. Okay. Actually, your voice is not clear. If you have any queries, just ping me also. If you have any doubts, please ping me. Hey, look, sorry, Jagdish, I'm unable to hear you. You just ping me in the chat.
Okay.
Hey, Magesh.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Jagdish. Thank you so much. Yeah, Magesh. There
Yeah,
are two Magesh. Who is Magesh T? Actually, now I'm asking Magesh directly. Only who has written Magesh. Hello, hey, Magesh. You there? Okay. Hey, Magesh T. You're there? Magesh T.
Yeah, Murli.
Hey, hi, Magesh. Magesh, can you tell me now? I want to print the values of this non-static variable and then the local variable.
SOSO control space B.
Correct.
Object dot B.
Object
one dot B.
Super, correct.
B.
Then
SOSO controls. Directly I we can print.
yes, correct. Super. So now from my side, I am going to create one more object here. Variable obj2 is equal to new variable usage. Now I am going to do this ABC. Sorry. Variable usage dot a is equal to 50. Again. Now, if I print it CISO obj1 dot a, then CISO obj1 dot b. Okay, same thing CISO variable usage dot a. Sorry, this is also a only. Sorry. Okay, so a I'm referring with help of the class name to the object name, another one to help of the two objects. That is one. So three things. One referring with class name, another a referring with object name, another a referring with object two. So that's what I'm doing over here. So now can you tell me what will be the output for all the three?
50, 50, 50.
Yes. So why? How come actually what? Okay. So yeah, correct. So then now I'm going to do this. Obj1 dot a is equal to 100. Okay. Now the same three things I'm going to do. Can you tell me what will be the output?
100.
That is for all the three.
Yeah, for all the three.
Awesome. Super. So now obj1 dot b, which is a non-static variable, that is equal to, I am making it as 70. Okay. Now obj1 dot b is how much? So obj1 dot obj2 dot b is how much?
obj1 dot B is equal to 70.
Correct.
obj2 dot B is equal to 20.
Correct. So now I'll create another object. obj3. Now so obj3 dot b. Can you tell me what will be the output?
Yeah, 3 dot B 20.
20. Correct. So can you tell me why static variables actually what it's getting me? This that is the latest value for all the if I'm referring through object or the class name. Same thing if I give here as CISO obj3 dot a. Can you tell me what will be the output for that a?
Yeah, 100.
100. So how come actually what static variables always take the latest? The non-static variables actually what it takes actually what for one object actually it's taking the object where I changed it there it's taking 70. Other things it's taking default value. Can you tell me?
Actually, for static variable, if you create if you create and assign, create a class and assign a value, it will reinitialize for all the memory locations. For non-static variable, if you create a class and assign a value, it will be changed for that particular object value. For suppose obj2, if you change the value, that will reflect for only obj2. It will not reflect for obj3 and obj1.
Correct. The thing is, static members always will have only one copy. That is, duplicates will not be created. So the static member will be loaded into the static pool. Whenever you are going to create an object, the copy of that static pool only will be taken over here. That's the thing. Okay. So, but the non-static member, each and every time when you create an object, a new member will be created over there in that object. A new variable will be placed over there. It's not the copy is going to take. Okay. So that's why when you change anything non-static level through an object level, for that object only, that will be local. But static, when you change through an object level or you change to a static pool level, that is referring a class, anywhere you change in all over the places, the change will affect. But non-static members, it's not like that. Only to that object level alone, the changes will happen. Yeah. Thanks, Magesh. Thank you so much. So,
Thank you.
this is what we have seen for yesterday's session. Okay. So, cool. Sure. So, yesterday's assignment, we'll try to do it today. Okay. So, anyone has tried it and then you have got the results for it? Can you just give me a ping over there? If you've got properly from your side, just give me a ping. So, good guys, good. So, yeah. So this is what yesterday we have done. I gave you as an assignment. We'll execute it. So always when I'm going to execute my program, what will happen? It creates me one memory location for me. Creates me one memory location. What will be the memory location name? Global local 2. That's my memory location name over here. Okay. So then static. Okay. So next. Hey Ranjini, can you tell me? So now, for me, when I start to execute my program, what which memory location will be created for me first?
Static 1.
Superb. So first for me, the static pool will be created for me. Yes. So now what other members will be loaded under this static pool?
The first one, I is equal to 20.
Yes, awesome. Then
Local memory 1.
yes, that main function.
Yeah, the main function.
Yes. So these two things will be loaded. Yes. Superb. So now actually what? My main function start to execute. Yes. Yeah, Ranjini, can you tell me now my main function start to execute, what will happen right now?
It goes to the local memory will be created.
Yes.
One more. Yeah.
Awesome. Yes. Local memory for main. Yes.
I is equal.
Second. Sorry. Local memory of main. It's created from the static pool. Yes. Then.
I is equal to 20.
Correct. So from my side, first system.out.println I. So when I give here as I, the first one, this step is going to. So now what will happen? Can you tell me?
It's going to print the value of I.
First search where it will go. Then can you tell me how the search will go and then it will print the value of I?
It looks for the value assigned. That is I is equal to 10.
when I'm not going to give any reference or something, directly I'm going to give the variable name alone. When I give like this, the search first, it will go to the local memory. So local memory here is what? Main. Do we have I variable here? No.
No.
If we don't have, then it will go to the static pool.
Yep.
Then it will print me 10. Yes. Then, Sanjani? Now,
Then it looks, yes, I is equal to 20.
yes. So now also how the search will go and then it will assign?
Same. It look for local memory.
Yes. We don't have I variable here. Then,
It goes to the static pool.
yes. Now this 10 will be reassigned to
20.
20. Yes. Super. Then system.println I
Yep. 20 will be printed.
goes to the main. Then 20 will be printed. Yes. Hey, thanks, Rajini. So now next. Hey guys, I'm expanding and then I'm saying the same things. Why I'm saying this actually, these are all little bit important basics. If you understand, other things will be easier for you. That's why. Hey Sandeep, can you tell me? Can you execute me the next 3 steps?
Yeah, so now in that local memory, I is equal to 50 is there, right? So I gets is 50, I becomes equal to 50.
It creates a new variable here.
Yeah, it initializes 50, sorry. Okay, it initializes I is equal to 50.
Yeah, declares and initialize 50 over there in the main.
Yeah, then the second step is it prints that I.
Yes, where the search will go?
In the local memory only.
Yes. So here, do we have 50 right? I is there? Yes.
Yes, yeah.
I is 50. So 50 will be taken right now.
Okay.
Or why it has went to the static pool means before I was not having my I variable in the main memory. That's why it went to the static pool. But now what's happening? I have created one I variable. That's why in the local memory, when I refer with I variable, now it goes to main. I have I variable which is holding 50. That 50 will be printed. That's the thing. Yes. Now the step.
Yeah, and then now 50, that is 50 plus 20, so I becomes 70.
Correct. So I plus 20. So what is the I value right now here is 50. So 50 plus 20. So that will be assigned to which variable? Again?
I variable.
Local variable. That's the thing. So again, this 50 now it will be reassigned to 70. Yes. Hey, thanks for that. Super. So now next. Is Shruti?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Can you explain me the next 3 steps?
Yeah.
So these 3 things.
Yes. Sir.
Now what is the thing? System.println I. When I refer only I, what will happen?
Value will get 70, right? This is
Correct. Why it takes 70?
because before we had given I is equals to 50, 50 plus 20, it's 70.
Correct. Because from my side, I refer only with the variable name. So when I refer only with the variable name, always it goes to the local memory and check.
Local. Yeah.
So that is 70 right now. Yes. Awesome. Yes. Then.
Next, it is of static variable, that is global local. And I value will take 20.
Correct.
Will
So
be 20 plus 20.
yes. So why it will take here 20? Can you tell me?
Yeah, because in static pool present value it is 20, right?
Correct. Because when I refer with the help of a class name, the search will directly goes to the static pool.
Static pool, yeah.
Yes. So right now that value is 20.
20
plus
20.
20. So that will be 40. That value will be stored to where?
Next system.out. It will be stored in I static pool.
No, check it. I is equal to. So
Yeah, next.
when I'm going to give only the variable name, where that will search will go? Where this will locate?
Only variable.
That is
It will go to local.
Correct. In the local memory, this 40 will be reassigned because I is equal to global local 2.I plus 20. So that's why what will happen means right now for me, that value, this I is there, na? So that
Yeah.
in that will be local will be reassigned to 40 here. That's the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks, Shruti. Thank you so much. And now, Shravani, can you tell me right now? So the next these two lines. So you have to execute me these two lines.
First line, it will print 40.
So only I'm referring variable name. That means go to the local. So 40 will be printed.
Okay.
Yes. Then
Next line, it will print 20.
global local 2.i. So that means where the search will go.
Static pool.
Why it will go to static pool directly?
We are referring global local to with I.
That is, it's a class name. When I refer with class name, directly the search will go to the static pool only.
Okay.
So here we have I here, which is 20.
20. Okay.
Yes. Thanks, Shravani.
Okay, thank you.
Next, is Sujata? You're there?
Yes, I am there.
Hey, Sujata. So can you explain me these two lines? So what is this? Global local 2.i plus 20.
Plus 25. 20 plus 25?
Correct. Global local 2.i means refers the static pool memory.
Pool memory, and it is 20.
20.
5.
25. Yes, correct. Then the value will be 45.
45.
That will be assigned to where?
That will be assigned to local main.
Again?
Global local.
Global local 2.i. That means which one it will refer?
Static pool.
Correct. Why? Because referring with help of the class name.
Class name.
So here it will be changed to 45. That's the yes. Correct. Yeah. Then next.
Then I is equal to, when I is referred, it goes to local main function.
Correct. So this main function. So here now.
That's class dot I plus 25. That is
Global local 2.a. That is when I refer a variable with the help of a class name that refers to the static pool.
static pool 45.
Yes. Getting guys everyone. When I refer to the class name, always it will go to static pool. 45 plus 25.
Plus 25.
So that will be 70. That value where it will be stored?
Main.
Yes, correct. Because here I is equal to only variable name means. So the variable name now will be reassigned with 40 to 70. So yeah. Cool. Okay. So now can you tell me the next two lines? What will be printed?
Print line I is 70.
17. Yes.
And then class dot I is 45.
Yes, correct. Referring with the class name always goes to the static pool there. That will be sub 45. That's the thing. So right click, run as Java application. Did it run?
So I have one more question.
Yeah. Yes, Sujata.
In the previous class, you said that when the static members will have only one copy, right?
Correct.
Whereas non-static one, a new member variable is created.
Yes, correct.
No, member or variable is created.
Yes.
So when the members will have only one copy in static,
yes.
So changes will apply all over, right?
Correct.
So Can you go to the one which you just told us? Yeah, here when in the static pool I is equal to some number, and here in the main I is equal to something. Why don't, when it is changed in one, why it is not changed in the static pool?
No, this is actually what local memory. I have created here a new variable here, correct?
Yeah, yes.
This is local. Okay, this is a different one. When you create an object, that time actually what? For example, if I'm going to create an object, what happen? All the global members will be loaded.
Oh, okay.
So the static and the non-static and then the main function, everything will be loaded here. Correct? Correct now? So that time only actually what? This will take the copy from here. Okay, this is local here. So in the main function, I have created a local variable. So that's why this is different, this is different.
I didn't get it. Can you come again, please?
Simple. Okay. So first I'll execute this program, then I'll come to your question. So no one get confused over there. Okay. So first I'll finish this program. So now we have executed everything. Once we executed this program, now it will come out of the main function. When it comes out of the main function, what will happen? The memory which is allocated for the main will be deleted. Then after that, when it comes out of the entire class, my static pool, and then the entire memory location will be deleted. So who is the person who is going to delete all the memories? Means garbage collector. Garbage collector is the one who is going to delete the entire memory location one by one. Why? Because once we have executed the program, after that there is no use of storing my values over there. That's the thing. So that's why we are trying to delete all the memory once after the execution has been done. Clear, guys?
Got it.
That's the main information over here. Okay. So now I'll answer your question. So anyone has any doubts, guys? Right now, what we have covered. Anyone has any doubts? Clear for everyone now?
I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, Shri.
Yeah, after the main function, 1 second. Yeah, always we will assign with class name dot I, right?
That is, if you want to refer the static member, that is actually what that time we refer with the help of the class name.
Okay.
Non-static member always we refer with the help of only the variable name alone.
Okay.
Clear? Yeah. So now I'll come. So I'm going to answer your question, Shivani, now. So class ABC class ABC. So always a class will have a main function. So here I'll have static integer I is equal to 10. Then integer j is equal to 20. Okay. So then here I'll have integer k is equal to 30. I'll have. Okay. So now if I'm going to create an object, so object name ABC obj1 equal to new ABC. This is what. Now I'm going to create another object. So before that, so obj1 dot I is equal to 15. obj1 dot I is equal to j is equal to 60. Then again I'm going to create another object. This will be obj2. So obj2 dot I is equal to, now I want to print it. So scissor obj1 dot I scissor obj1 dot j. This one should be 2. Okay. So what is the value for this one? That's what we are going to see. So this is what your question is. Your question will answer here, I think so, Shravani. Okay. In case if it's not answered, please let me know. So now here I'll create one more variable. Integer I is equal to, from my side, 100. I'll just give. So before that, here I'm going to print scissor I. Okay. So then after that, here I'm going to print scissor I. Okay. So this is what. Now when I execute this program, so a memory location will be created. Then always what will happen? A static pool will be created. So all the static numbers will be created right now. So what are the static numbers right now? So static int I is equal to 10. Then my main function, these two things will be loaded. Then after that, my main memory start to execute. That will create me a local memory for main. So from where it's been created, it's from the static pool. From there the memory has been created. Then after that, integer k is equal to 30. So now what happened in the main memory, local memory, k equal to 30 will be created. Now abc obj1 equal to new abc. So now what will happen right now for me? That is for me a new memory location. obj1 will be created. So from where it's been created, this is being created from this main memory. So now this has been created. ABC obj1 equal to new ABC, that has been created for me. So then the reference is what? ABC. So now all the global members of this class will be created. All the global members of this class will be created. Then after that, my main function also will be loaded. That's the thing. Okay. So now if I give obj1.i equal to 50. So now what will happen right now for me? So in the obj1, what is the I value? That is 10. Right now that will be changed to 50. Correct? So that will be changed to 50. But I already told you, so from my side, the static members alone always what will happen? It will take the copy from year to year only. Okay, it will not create a new memory. So when it is being changed over here, it need to be changed over there in this place also. Okay, so in this place also it should be changed. 50. That should be changed. Okay. Okay. So then next, now what happens? obj 1.j equal to 16. So obj 1.j. So now what happens in the object right now? What is the j value? That is 20. Now that will be changed to 60. Now that will be changed to 60 right now. That's the thing. Now then ABC obj2 equal to new ABC. So now what happened this step? It create me another object. Create me another object. What is the object name? That is obj2. So now what happened? All the global members will be loaded. So static members, it will be taken always from the static pool. So static int I is equal to latest value right now is what? 50. Then after that your main function also will be taken. Then after that, your non-static variable. So that one, what will happen means it will take the default value only always. So that is 20. Okay, that will be loaded. Then after that, now when I print here sysO obj1.i, what is in the obj1.i value? That is 50 will be printed. obj1.j, what is the j value? That is 16. Then after that, obj2.i. In the obj2, what is the I value? That is 50. Then obj2.j, that is 20. Okay. Then after the sysO I. So when I refer only with the variable name, what will happen? Goes to the main function. Do I have I variable here? No. That time it will go to the static pool. What is the I value? 50. That 50 will be printed over here. That's the thing. Okay. So we are in the main function. So when I refer with variable name in the local memory of main, it comes over here. If it is not there, then it goes to static pool and then gets the value. Then after that, integer I is equal to 100. So this will be here. Now sysO I. Now what is the I value? That is 100. So 100 will be printed over here. That's it. Clear guys? Clear for everyone? Now what will happen? My main function has been executed. That time, when it comes out of the main function, it's going to delete me the main memory. Okay. Then after that, actually what for me here, this object1 and object2 is being loaded from this main memory only. So now what will happen? It will delete when the main memory is deleted. From there, what are the informations are loaded? Object1, object2 also will be deleted. Then comes out of the entire class static pool, and then the entire memory will be deleted by the garbage collector.
Okay.
Murali, Sandeep here. This is regarding object 1 and object 2, but your main program had that other.
Yes.
If you go back to your main program, this, I mean, this is, I understood, this obj1, obj2 you created, but
yes,
when you go back to your main program, this global local, so so here is, here this line, this I is equal to, the next one, next line, yeah, then this one, yeah. I is equal to global local 2.i.20. Here you said it will come to, so here this global local 20 you are taking also, it's like an object only, is it?
No. Global local 2 is what is the class name.
Class name.
Okay.
So,
so you are taking, okay.
With reference of a class name, if you refer any variable, okay, what will happen right now? That will refer to the static pool value, correct?
Okay.
No, you guys understood? When you refer, just a second, guys, I'll put you in mute. So when you refer with help of a class name, always the search will go to the static pool. Then in the static pool right now, what we have? That is right now, before in that place actually it was 20. So that 20 was being taken, plus 20, it will be 40.
Okay.
That I'm again storing to where? In the local variable I. That's it.
Okay. Now I got, okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So any doubts? Shravani, now you can tell me any doubts from your side. Everyone is clear now?
Murli, have a quick question for you.
Yes, Amish.
So in the static int you have given the I value, and in the main function also you have given the I value. So we can give the same variable to the different.
Correct. So your side, when you give it over here in the global level, that will be loaded in the static pool. Okay.
Okay.
So when you're going to declare a variable here in the main function level,
okay,
that is going to create in the local memory level. Okay. Integer I is equal to 500 or something. That time it throws me an error. Why? because already we have I variable. Once again, I cannot create in the main memory itself one more variable.
Oh, okay, got you.
That becomes a duplicate. So only
Okay.
thing is, when I refer with variable name I, that name refers to the main function.
Yeah, got it.
If the main does not have that variable, it goes to the static pool and then get the information.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, guys. Yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, Shivani.
From the above program,
Yes.
here we are created I variable in static, and also we have created I variable in local section. This is coming under duplicate, or both are different?
This is not duplicate. Why? Because static pool is a different memory location.
Okay.
Main is a different memory. Correct? That's why this is not duplicate.
In the two places we created the same variable. It will take the main memory location. It will take both are different variables, or duplicate variable.
It is different. Why? When you refer with variable name I, that refers this main function I variable. When you refer with help of a class name, that refers this static variable. Even when I refer with after I'm creating an object, when I refer with object name, that also refers this copy of that static pool I variable only.
Okay.
Clear now?
Yeah, clear.
That's the thing. Okay, by going on further, you guys will understand more. You will have more clarity. Okay, because we have started it. So step by step, actually, what you will have more clarity, because we are going to talk about memory location still more. Okay, because next topic I'll be taking your confusions and all those things. Okay, so that time you will be understanding more information, guys. So if everyone is okay, I'll start with the functions. Can I start with functions now?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay, it's better I will just give a small information just for 10 minutes. So from tomorrow, we'll be starting with the functions over there. I'll just give a small information what is functions alone. Okay. So now I'll come to this. Now main function default. So now for me, I have this hello world, Sizzle, Monday, Sizzle, Tuesday, Sizzle, Wednesday, Sizzle, Thursday. Okay, then Sizzle. Welcome to Java. Sizzle. How are you? Then again I want to print these 4 lines. Sizzle. Hi. Then again I want to print this one. Sizzle. Birthday ever. Sizzle. So this is what I need to print. So for me, if you see that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this 4 lines has been repeated for me for n number of times. Okay, it has been repeated for n number of times. So think over if it is actually it's a 200 lines of code. If I'm going to repeat it for 10 times, what will happen? Totally 2000 lines of code will come. So that's the problem. So how I can utilize this one? So if I want to utilize this information over there, I can use the help of the functions. So I'll wait for this one. To function usage 1. The same code I'll copy. So this is my program. So if I want to utilize it properly, so this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this is what repeating. So I will copy this. Here I can create a function for that. So how a function can be created when it's like this? So void method one. Okay, I'm going to explain you the functions tomorrow only. So right now we're just seeing what is functions only. So functions also, it has static and then non-static method. Okay, functions also is of two types. One is static, another one is non-static. If I have a keyword called static, I can refer with help of a class name. Otherwise, if it's a non-static, I need to refer with help of an object over there. That's the thing. Okay. So then, which other informations are repeated over here? These 4 lines. No? So I'll copy. I'll have it over there in this place. I'll have it in the method level. So the place where I have been using this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that places I can give this information like this. So I'll delete these lines. Function usage dot. Now when you see, I can see the method one over here. Okay, so I can get this one, method one. Then all the places I have to utilize this one. Now if you see, I have reduced my lines of code. See, think over, I told you it's of 200 lines of code over there, no? So now the thing is actually what, if you think it's 200 lines of code, okay, 10 places I've used means, so totally 1800 lines of code I have been reduced here. Okay, so that's the advantage. So functions are helpful for me to improve the performance. Another one is actually what, from my side, if I'm going to utilize over there as functions like this, it is user friendly for me to access it. Okay, user friendly for me to access it. That's also another advantage over here. So now what will happen when I run this program? How the execution happens? So first, it's going to execute my main function. First, it will print me hello world. Then function usage 2 dot method 1. Now what will happen? It comes to the method 1. Then execute me these 4 lines of code. Then again control comes over here. Then welcome to Java and then how are you? Then again function usage 2 dot method 1. Now again control comes over here. Execute me these 4. Control comes here. Prints me hi. Method 1. Again control comes here. Best day ever. Then method 1. Again control comes over here. And control comes over here. And finally comes out of the program. Okay, so I was a little bit fast, okay, purposely only, because I'm going to show it over there in the memory allocation part, so you will be clear. But everyone understood that actually what is the usage of functions? To reduce the number of lines of code. For that is the main intention for me to utilize the functions. Another one is actually what? To improve the performance level also. So when I execute my program, so class function usage 2. That's the thing. So then now what will happen right now for me? First, static pool will be created always. Correct? So static pool has been created. Now, what are the things? It's a main function. Then after that, my static void method 1, because this is also a static over there. So this method also will be loaded. Okay. So these 2 things will be loaded right now. Then next what will happen? Main function start to execute. So for that, local memory has been created. Local memory for main. that has been created for me. So now what happened? First, hello world, that will be printed. First hello world will be printed for me. Then after function usage 2 dot method 1. So function usage 2 dot method 1. Just like this. Sorry, yes, just a second. So now function usage 2 dot method 1. So now when I refer with the help of a class name, so it comes to the static pool. Here do we have method 1? Yes, we have method 1 over here. So now what happened right now? It creates me a memory for the method 1. That is the local memory for method 1. That will be created. Okay. Then after the next what will happen, control comes over here. Then it will print me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, everything. These 4 lines will be executed for me. These 4 lines will be executed. These 4 lines will be executed. Now what will happen? Control comes out from this method 1 to here. That time what will happen? The memory which is allocated for that one will be deleted. Then next what? Control comes over here. It will print me welcome to Java. Then after that, how are you? These both will be printed. Then function usage 2 dot method 1. So now what will happen right now? Again, control comes to the function usage dot method 1. So what will happen? Again, it will create me one local memory for the method 1. 1 second. So name will be same. I just copy paste it. Local memory for the method 1 that we created. So this is also from where it has been created over there. Means it's been created from here, from the static pool. Then next control comes over here. As usual, that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, same thing which we have got now. That will be executed for me. Then control comes out of the method. That time the memory which has been allocated for that will be deleted. Now control comes here. Now it will print me hi. It comes over here. Then next again function usage 2 dot method 1. Now again what will happen? One more memory will be created. So same thing. Local memory for method 1. That will be created. Now again what will happen? It goes and call me this method. Same thing again, this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That will be again, it will be printed. Now what will happen again? So this will be executed. Now the memory allocation will be deleted. It will be deleted. So now what will happen? Control comes over here. So that will print me best day ever. Then next again function usage 2 dot method 1. Now again what will happen? One more time. Local memory for method 1 will be created. I'll copy the name of it. That will be created. Then next again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That will be executed for me. Then after that, what level comes out of the, then after that it gets out of the memory. So then for me what happened, the memory for that it will be deleted. Then next what comes out of the main function, the memory which has been created for that one will be deleted. Then comes out of the entire class static pool, and then the entire memory location will be deleted. That's it. So clear for everyone? Just actually I just given a very basic step. Still a lot to go on the functions. Yes, each and every time the memory location will be created and then after that will be deleted, because once that method has been executed, after that we don't need that memory. So whenever it's needed, it will be create and then delete, creates and deletes over there. That's the thing. Okay, clear for everyone, guys? But the thing is, everything actually what the reference copy of this one only. Any doubts for anyone, guys? Okay, so with this, I'll stop the session for today. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be again seeing about the usage of the functions over there. Okay, in detailed manner. So how a function will be executed, and then method arguments, and then method overloading, return types, like a lot of things are there. All are very small concept, very easiest concept. When I explain you with the help of this, yes,
Sir,
Shravani.
my question. Already you have sent me account details for me.
Yes.
But I will credit you the money on Monday.
Sure, no worries. Monday you guys can credit it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Thanks, guys. See you.